Okay, viewers, good afternoon. Today is the second of the Let's Talk Real Estate Challenge, and today we'll be discussing the topic facts about real estate. My name is Richard Oyowikigo Jisa, a real estate consultant and a business consultant. I want to say thank you wherever you are, wherever you are watching from. Please, I want you to know that your presence matters to me. It matters to our teams, and your like, your comment, your thoughts, they matters too. I deeply appreciate it, and I want to say thank you. Now, so let's talk about facts about real estate. Yesterday, the topic we discussed on was what is real estate, and I said we discussed that real estate is simply land. It is simply a land or a property or a structure, any structure on a piece of land. That is real estate and it has value. Now we'll be talking facts, facts on real estate. Now, fact number one, I want you to know that real estate is a tangible asset. When we say asset, we have assets, different assets like stocks, portfolios, commodities, all these are assets. So real estate is a class of asset that is tangible and it constitutes roughly about 60% of the global net worth, global net worth, which is valued at over $280 trillion. You see, real estate is a vast industry. Yes, real estate is a vast industry, and there are many facts about real estate that's going to blow your mind. Now, key number one. Now, unlike every other investment, real estate is a physical asset. That is a tangible asset that you can see, you can control. Now, if you buy a stock, maybe MTN stock, Dangote stock, or any stock, though you own the stock that you bought, but you don't control it. You have little control. They trade, they do whatever they do in the business. You just have a share. But when you buy a property, you own the property 100%. You have control over it. If you want to renovate, if you want to sell, if you want to keep it, it is your property. So you have 100% control and management of real estate, unlike stocks, bond, or mutual fund investment. That's one fact about real estate. Now, fact number two, real estate values and rental income tend to increase. Now, the value of real estate, for example, you have a piece of land, you have an event center or anything, a rental property, the value tends to increase with time. Real estate, it increases. So fact number two. Now, fact number three. Now, real estate is consistent and rapidly growing business. That is a consistent business and is a rapid growing business anywhere in the world. Now, we say real estate is land, is a property, and all over the world there is land. We have sea, we have land. These are the makeup. Once you are not on sea, you are not on the land, then it's air. And now, real estate is on land. So anywhere, even if there is sea, there is still part of the land in it. Now, anywhere is real estate. Now, you see, that it is consistent and is a rapid growing business anywhere in the world. In fact, there are places that have limited land for sale right now. There are countries that have very limited amount of land for sale. Maybe let's say cities that have very limited amount of land for sale. So another fact I want to bring to you, I want you to notice or know about real estate is that the prices of real estate fluctuate based on demand and supply. That is to say, if there are more and more and more and more of properties in your city, the price may be a bit of fair. But when there is high demand and little supply of properties, of land, of whatever within real estate, you see the value goes up. The value goes up because demand and supply affects the market, and it's not on the negative side. No matter how we are going to have more property, real estate is still on the good side in value. That's one thing I want you to know. Then another fact is that real estate is a major driver of economic growth. When we say economic growth, economy is like the economy of a country. So so the country at large, the economy of a nation. So real estate is a major driver, that is one of the industry that easily boosts nation. Now you see people are running to Dubai, a lot of people, you see the Dubai is very beautiful. The beauty you see in Dubai is real estate. The house, the skyscrapers, the infrastructure, where covered, where strategized, strategically developed. They are futuristic about their development. So you see, everybody likes good things. Everybody like it. So you see our leaders, our people, our boys, they want to just experience it. It's part of beauty. Like you go to Banana Island, you see the buildings, the way it's it is, you like it. So real estate is a driver of economic growth in a nation. Yeah, it boosts nation, real estate. So that's another fact about real estate. Now, another fact is that Nigeria has a high housing deficit. Housing deficit. About 22 million plus unit of housing according to Google report. And you see this housing, they these huge housing units have a high potential for renters. They have a high potential for ROI, that is a return on investment if you are not dealing on the rental part. You see, a lot of persons need house in Nigeria. Everybody needs house. Everybody lives in a house. Even if you are doing business, it is still in an office. It's on a real estate. Another fact about real estate I want you to know is that investing in real estate is one of the way to secure early retirement. That is, if you start to invest in real estate on time, you may even retire on time. You have the time because once your property are paying you, you can stop working and you live off the returns from your property. So another fact about real estate is that you will always be able to sell a real estate. You will always be able to sell a real estate. That is, if you have a piece of land, you bought a piece of property, no matter how big the house is, as long as it is in a good location and it is a house, any property it is in a good location, you will sell it. It will only take time, but you will surely sell it. So thank you very much. If you have any question concerning this thing, you can drop a comment. Like I said, I am King Richard Oyewiki Ojisa, and we are in real estate challenge. And on this challenge, I want you to say thank you.